Hi Drastic Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to be drawing a Christmas family ornament. But before we start, I just want to tell you a little bit about the inspiration behind this drawing. So a little while back while strolling through Facebook, I came upon this cute picture that a friend posted of her family ornament on her Christmas tree. And when I saw it, I thought it was just the cutest thing ever, and I wish I had one for my family. And it just got me thinking that this would be really cute, something for me to draw for you to hopefully inspire you to draw it for your family this Christmas. So get your Sharpie or your pencil and a piece of paper and let's get started. To draw this ornament, let's first start by drawing the sleigh. So I'm going to come right here. I'm just going to draw the top of our sleigh. I'm just going to give a soft curve. And I'm going to start to slope it down, go right across, and about right there I'm going to start to go up and up. So that's the general shape you want to draw. It doesn't really matter, there's all different kinds of sleighs, right? But that is just a general, kind of like this boat that we're going to put the family in, a bathtub kind of. So from here where we started, I'm going to come down right here with a slight angle, bring it in, and this side as well. So we're just going to start to bring it together. So about right here, we're going to bring it in and go right across, nice and straight. And then about right here, I'll bring it up. There. So I have my basic sleigh in, and then I'm going to come up here and just give it a trim. So I'm going to round it off right here as well. Just round it off to fancy it up a bit. And I'm just going to go and thicken this up. Just going to follow my bottom all the way across and up. There. Now I have a trim for the top, and then for the bottom, I'm going to come about right here and draw a slight angle line. And then I'm going to go with a straight line right underneath the sleigh. So about right here. I keep calling it a tub. It reminds me of a tub. So about right there, I'll draw the other side, the other legs. And then let's go all the way and about right underneath. Right here, I'm going to round it off. So on this side, we're going to curve it up. Just give a slight curve, round it off, and bring it down. And then go ahead and just finish it off. A straight line right across. There. Now we have our sleigh all done. And when you're drawing the sleigh, just remember you want it pretty thick because we're putting the family in here and we want to draw as less as possible. So we need to have it make sense where most of the body is in the sleigh. So nice and thick. Okay, so then from there we have this basic shape in, now to draw the family. So today I'm just going to draw one of each, a mom, a dad, a girl, and a boy, and a pet, of course. So it's all up to you how you want to arrange your family. And so I'm going to start right here with the mom. So about in this area, I'm going to come about right here. So whatever you do, just start with the face, like a bottom of a U. Just your basic. This is very simplified because we just want to make it nice and easy to draw. So then about right there, I'm going to start with the hair. So, well, actually, you know what? Let's draw the eyes in first. Just very simple. Just two little dots and then a smile. And then let's come right here. Just fancy up her hair. Bring it right across. Give her a brow. And then let's come to her neck area, and I'm giving everyone here a scarf. So it just makes it a little bit easier to draw. We don't have to deal with a neck or any of that stuff. And then her shoulders just coming down right here. And then her hair, about right here. We're gonna just go ahead and bring it around. There. So like I said, nice and simple. Very simplified, right? Okay, so we have the mom in here, and now we're going to draw the dad. So dad, I'm going to put it right next to her, so about right here, a little bit higher. I'm going to come about right here, and once again just draw a bottom of a U right next to her. And then I'm just going to put in an ear right here, and then once again the eyes. And a big smile, of course. A brow. And then hair. So once again, just simplified hair. So I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw your family. Okay, so I have the dad in, and once again, I'm going to give him a scarf because we're trying to draw as little detail as possible. Okay, so I'm going to stop dad right there because I know I want to put a little girl over here. So in this area close to the sleigh, in this right next to him, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another bottom of a U. So right here. And once again, come in here. I'm going to make these eyes a little bit bigger. And then a big smile. Curve right on top. And then let's draw her, I'm giving her a Santa hat. So right over, you know, add a curve. Maybe some strands of hair here. And let's give her her hat. So I can't wait to see your fan art, to see how your family, how you draw your family. And I'm going to bring in a Santa hat right here. Add a big poof ball. And then once again, give her a scarf. And then her body. So we're just going to put it right here. And put her shoulder this way, her body is this way, so right there. Okay, so then we're going to put a boy on this side right next to her. So right next to her, I'll say about right here. Go ahead and draw another bottom of a U. And eyes. And a big smile. And the ear. Hair. Something simple. There. Okay, so once again, let's give him a scarf as well. And then his body, whatever space we have left. His arm right here. Then for her, we can, whatever space I have, so here I can add, well, let's add her hair. So make her hair nice and long. And so let's have her hair come out right here as well. And then let's see, for mom, well, we have some space here. So I'm gonna put my, put a cat right here. So let's come about right here. So like I said, whatever space you have, whatever you would like to add, it's all up to you. What, here, let's add some eyes for our cat. And a little mouth and nose. Some whiskers, of course. And give our cat here a hand right there. And then let's finish mom right here. So whatever space I have, I'm just going to bring down her shoulder, her arm, and then so then let's fill in this space with her hair. And then dad can just come right there. And let's see here. Okay, so that is pretty much it. I filled up the sleigh. So like I said, like let's say you only have 3 people in your family, then maybe over here you can put a pet or some presents, whatever you like to fill up the space. So now that the family is done, I'm going to go ahead and make this into an ornament. So let's go ahead and I'll start right here. We're basically drawing kind of this ovalish circle around it for the opening of our ornament. So I'm going to come right here. And I'm going to start to draw a curve. So right around, about right here. So I'll start here, just easier on my hand. To come down, and we're just basically drawing a curve. And this will be going over the sleigh because it is kind of like glass, right? So it's going to be transparent. So I'm going to bring this up and towards the center of this whole sleigh right here, so which is about right here, I'm going to go ahead and bring up my curve. So I can see a little bit better. And then from there, go ahead and connect all the way back down to here. So we just want to draw a curve for the opening, and that's our goal. From there, I'm just going to go ahead and bring this in as well. Right here, right under the sleigh, and connect it with a soft curve. There. So I went a little bit low and bring this up. Okay, so we have our opening. Now let's go to the top and we're going to draw the top of it. So once again, come to the center of your ornament, say about right here, and I'll give myself a point. From there, I'm basically going to draw a nice big curve around. So I'll come to about right here. We're going to get a little bit thinner as we come down. And kind of following the curve I made. And we're going to bring it down. It's going to get a little bit thinner. There. So same thing over here. So about right there, we want about the same thickness. Okay, so let's keep bringing this. It's always so much harder when you're drawing big. Okay, so let's just keep bringing it around. And we just want to make sure this curve is outside of the sled. That's our main goal. And then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. There. Okay, so then now to make it look like an ornament, let's come back to the top. Once again, right in the center, about right here, I'm going to add a bow. Okay, so let's draw the center of our bow, and I'm just going to give it a basic bow. So let's draw the loops, come out, nice and big, and bring it right in. And we're just going to use this curve as our bottom of our bow, and same thing over here. So about right there, bring it down and in. And let's draw some details right here in the center. And same thing here. So we got bow and then some of the tail for the bow. So let's come about right here to the center. And I'm just going to draw the tail for our bow. So same thing over here. Kind of rests on top of our ornament. And then the top right here, the little loop. So come right to the center, draw a curve, and another curve. There, now we can hang it, right? Okay, so then to spruce it up, just gonna add a little line right here. So it looks like our sleigh is actually on something, and then when you color it, it'll look more believable. And then we can, since I have some empty space here, let's add a Christmas tree. So like about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just quickly zigzag a Christmas tree right in this area, just to fill up the space. So let's come in here, some details. For our Christmas tree. to make it look like glass, let's come to the edge of our ornament here, and very lightly I'm going to draw an edge all the way around. You can do this when you're coloring, so it's not so harsh, but I wanted to show you. Just draw an edge right around. And if you like, you can personalize this ornament here with your family's name. So I'm going to come right here and just write Cutie Family. So come right here, and I'm just going to quickly write C-U-T-I, Cutie Family. And of course, a heart. To fill it up. And then let's, if you like also, we can add some bling to this. So I'm going to come right here and just draw some starbursts to make it extra shiny. Maybe here, another one here. There's so much you could do. I really hope this inspires you to draw this ornament for your family. Right there, and then you can add a string right here if you like. And let's see here. And I forgot. Oh goodness. Let's draw some these lines in here to make it look like a scarf. And I forgot to give him a brow. And make her eyes a little bit bigger. There's all these things we can do to add to our drawing here. So they're all done. I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me to draw this cute ornament of you and your family. And I know it can get a little bit complicated inside the sleigh, so that's why I tried to draw everything a little bit more simplified. But like I said, just arrange it however you need to for your family. And if there's any spaces left, you can just put gift boxes or another pet or a tree, anything you can think of. And if you have more family members, say than 4, you just kind of tuck them in the back. So I hope that really helps. And one last thing before I go, I just want to say thank you to my friend Winnie for posting this super cute ornament and inspiring me. And also to her sweet little daughter Maggie, aka Gigi, for being such a super sweet fan. Thanks so much for watching, cuties, and I will see you soon with another video. So please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.